Their horns can grow from 4 to 6 feet long, but the inside looks like a honeycomb structure, kind of like in a beehive. And they're the only domesticated animals now. There's Angora cattle, but there's also those giraffes if you can spot them.
You didn't spot them?
They can spot them. Did you know their spots are a way that they control their temperature?
No.
Look at that, yeah. So there's different blood vessels and stuff and mechanisms that I don't understand, but their spots are a way. It's how, like, we humans, we sweat, they have their spots. Crocodiles keep their mouth open because they cannot sweat, so they'll breathe like fire. No, not really. But they release heat out of their mouth. So, thermoregulation. Let's see, these are really good view. You don't see a giraffe flying down too often. It does happen, but it does take a lot of time and energy for them to get up. Also focus on the fact that that's an adult giraffe compared to the baby giraffes. And the adult is sitting down and is still as tall as the babies. Now there is a predator on the other side, to your left. If you look to the right side of the den, there's a black and tan dog that's lying down.
Aww.
They look like rocks. Yeah, they're sleeping. They're known as painted dogs or African wild dogs. I can't stop, but we can go super slow. No, you should look to your left. But they're really cute.
Oh, they are cute.
They look like they're not baboons, but they look like baboons. They're called mandrills. They're the largest monkeys. Like, they're not that big though. That one might be pooping, I can't really tell. So the largest monkeys in the world compared to the largest land animal. The elephant though, this is about half the size they would get. Not even, maybe about a third the size.
Oh my god, yeah.
She's kind of hugging the tree there.
Me too. She has her.
Other answer unless we as humans work together to make a difference. And that's not just with the elephants, it is with the rhinos too. Just not as drastic, I guess you could say, numbers wise. So these are the white rhinos. So the black rhino weigh about 3,000 pounds. The white rhinos top the scale, 5,000 pounds. What do the lions do? I wonder how lions top their name. I wonder if that's just what it was. Like someone was like, this animal lies down or not. Or it's not a lie. Or it's just lion. It's not you. So this largest burrowing animal, great or short tusks. You don't want to mess with them. Their eyeballs are about 2.1 inches big, and their kick can kill a human. Wow. It's okay.
Maybe they're female? Maybe.
Yeah.
And that one too.
Like they're all scurrying. It's like,
Maybe it's the color of their feet. She just looks like big head.
Well, she was.
Well, most of the time they have the white shirt on.
That's because their cheek looks dirty.
The grass way out there. Show them, gotta pick them up.
You see them?
I see Mira.
quick before the hyenas come dig. Take your time, addicted.
So I just got back from the Disney day. I can't even express to you how amazing this part of Animal Kingdom was. It was the Pandora area. Pandora is freaking amazing. Everything is so detailed. I mean, from the ride to the just walking around the scenes and the sights and just all the way to the food, like everything is so detailed and so freaking awesome. Like everything. The only ride I was able to get on was Flight of Passage, I think it's called. We went through that, and that was a 150-minute wait, which I'm not gonna lie, that wait, it was a long queue line, but it was worth it. It's a 4-minute ride. But it was like, I've never been on anything as close to this. Like my favorite ride right now, well, it was Transformers at Universal, but right now it's this Flight of Passage with the avatars. And so when you go, they give you like these shield glasses, like these big old glasses, and they put them on you, and you're like, it's almost like a motorcycle, like you get onto it, and they're like, oh, you straddle onto. I was like, okay. But you get on and you gotta go as close as you can, and it locks you in, and you look down and it's like putting your face to the avatar's face and trying to, like, I guess, connect. But that was just so cool. So they say you don't let go of the bars that are in front of you, and they're right, if you let go of them bars, you're gonna get jacked up because all that moving and all that stuff was just too much. So you go and it gets like completely like pitch black, and then like the screen opens, and this 3D was amazing. Like it smells, the breeze, everything. You're just like kind of like jumping off of a cliff, and it was to a point that there was like the 3D was so good that it was points that I was like, oh, I was getting scared, or I was getting all over the place. Just everything though, it smells so good. And then there's a part where you're going over like the treetops, and then all of a sudden it dives into the jungle, and you're in the jungle, and you could just smell like all the green, and just smell like the plants, and like it's so amazing. Like, and then all this breeze is just in my hair, and I'm just like, yeah, just go through and have an amazing just time. Fantastic. I'm so thankful that I got the opportunity to shout out, you know, to them for, I don't know if they want me to put their names out there, but shout out to them for helping me out. You guys know who you are, for bringing me along. And then other things that we did were we went to see the animals, which I absolutely love. I love animals. And we went on this little safari that they have. I think it's called Kilimanjaro Safari. So we went on that, and that was freaking awesome. And it was at one point one of the giraffes are like coming towards the cart, and the driver's like, well, if he keeps coming in closer, I have to keep going because I can't stop. But look how close he's getting. And it's like, she'll stop. And she's watching. And she's like, okay. She speeds away. And I was like, no, I wanted to pet a giraffe. And we went on I've never been to this part of, I think it was just like Dino Land or Discovery Island, I think it's called. We went there. And I've never been on, at least if I've been on it, I don't remember. But we went to this like dinosaur ride, and we didn't know what it was, and we got onto it. And I'm assuming it's been there for years because it looked old, but we got onto it, and we see all like, because I like to go to like, they had like all like the bones of the dinosaurs, and I like to go to the museums and see all that stuff. So I was really, you know, entertained and interested in everything. So we were going through, and so we're looking to see like, okay, it's a cart. It looks like it's a coaster. It looks like, it's like, what is this? So we go, and we're sitting there, and it's just like pitch black when we're going in. So it's like pitch black when we're going in, and all of a sudden, like, it's kind of like almost like a Jurassic Park, but scarier, because it takes us back. It's supposed to take us back to dinosaur time and all that. So it's like there were like scarier dinosaurs, and it was pitch black. So for us to see what's going on, I didn't know if something was going to be in my face, like what's going to be right here. So I was just like, and I was at the edge. I was like, no, just scooch all the way to the middle. And we're going down, and I'm like, I had to close my eyes a couple times because I was kind of scared because I didn't know what was next to me. I didn't know what was sticking their head out. I was screaming like, I don't know what that is. So we're going, and I forgot what they called it. It was like a horn. It was like almost like a T-Rex, but it was horned. Cenotaurus, pitch black. I don't know. And it was so hard to like see anything, and I was like I was getting scared. Like, it was too much, but it was fun. I really liked it because the parts that did come out were cool. Like, you know, it wasn't like a kiddie, you know, right? Like, oh, you know, I'm a nice dinosaur kind of thing. It was cool, you know. So all the little dinosaurs and everything was really awesome. That was basically the day for that. It was awesome. So I hope you guys liked it. And thank you for watching.